Well, of course, the big topic so far this week has been the weekend snow chance we are continuing to watch, and we could see a decent amount of snow come Saturday night into the day on Sunday. So here's what we know so far, and of course what you should know as well. Of course, Saturday night into the day on Sunday, that is the time frame that has not changed. We are continuing to keep that Saturday night into the day on Sunday. We know there's going to be a storm that forms along the East Coast. Right now, this looks to be mostly all snow for us here in western Massachusetts, and it looks to be a plowable snowfall, likely at least 3 inches, 4 inches plus. So that's what we usually consider plowable snow, is 3 inches or more. And that looks very likely as we go into Saturday night and into Sunday. In terms of the track, some of the guidance is starting to come a little bit more into agreement that this is going to be more of a coastal hugger, more closer to the coast and up towards Cape Cod and then eventually out into the ocean. That gives us more of that favorable track to bring that plowable snow here into western Massachusetts. So we'll continue to keep an eye on things and fine-tune the forecast as we get closer. And of course, stay right here tuned to wwlp.com and right here on 22 News. Working for you, I'm 22 News Storm Team Meteorologist Chris Bouzakis.